If you want to add your affiliate link on your YouTube video description, first open any browser. You can use the browser you usually use. I just open Microsoft Edge and just click here and type Google and search. Scroll down and open this Google. Now just click here and sign into your Google account. I mean your YouTube account. After that, click this Google Apps and open YouTube. Now just click your profile and YouTube Studio and click content and open the video you want to add the affiliate link. For example, I just open this. Okay, now open a new tab and just go to the affiliate website page. For now I show you using Amazon. Pretty much same process. I just came to my Amazon account. Now just click here and search for the product you are going to pitch. Just select this charger, and if you want to generate link, click get link. So here you can see it's full length link, it's short link. Select short link and just right mouse click, copy. Now came back to the browser. Here just type Amazon link something, and here just type the product name. I just type all charger and colon and space to make that link professional. Now right mouse click and paste. So it's pasted. Now here you need to mention I'm using Amazon link, I will earn commission. You need to mention that. You can use any words. I just show you for sample. I just type note or something. You don't need to type note like this, just enter the words. So just like that and click save. Let's see how it looks like. I just open in new tab. That's it, it's added. It's clickable also. That's it. And while adding your link, if it shows red indication here, probably you are using new YouTube channel. You need to verify your YouTube account. Here you can see a verification option here. You just need to tap that and verify your YouTube account. Like enter your phone number and verify your photo identity. You can upload your driver license or passport, or also you can take a self video of yourself for 6 seconds. I will explain everything in this video. Watch this video clearly. So just watch this video and continue the process. Then only your external link will be clickable.